All right, you see here my disassembled Honda Accord key, which has the included fob, and I was not getting any door opening, door locking, hood or trunk opening. So I thought, man, I just put a new battery in that thing. What's going on? And I'm going to show you what is a problem, potential problem here, in case you're having the same symptoms. You put in a fresh battery and you don't seem to get anything. So there's my old battery, actually. I put a fresh one in. Still didn't work. So I took a look and I said, you know what? Maybe these little contacts are just not pressing hard enough. So if you try this, if you think your battery is fresh, if you have a battery tester, it'd be good, but I don't have one out here. Go in here and just use a very small screwdriver to flip these guys up so that they will contact the correct spot with a little more pressure. This is the spot where that contact works. I also kind of just gave it a little rub there to make sure that there was maybe nothing on there. And then I also lifted these contacts up gently as well. Those are the ones that touch the battery. After I did that, I was getting the thing to lock and beep from, across the house through several walls. So if your key fob is giving you hassle and CR1616 battery change doesn't do it, crack it back open and try prying up these contacts and see if that gets it done.